In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to easily add custom code in your WordPress website. WordPress provides us with a plugin to easily add code snippets in your website. Sometimes you need to add a custom code to your header and footer of your website. So, to do that, first you need to install and activate the WP Code Insert Headers, Footers, and Code Snippets plugin in your WordPress website. I've already done that, but if you need any help installing a plugin in WordPress, we have a video explaining how to install and activate plugins in WordPress. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Upon activation, this plugin adds a new menu item named Code Snippets to your WordPress admin bar. Simply hover on it and click on Code Snippets. I previously added some code snippets to my website, but status is not active as of now. I can activate these code snippets as per the need. To add a new custom code to your site, simply click on Add New, and this will bring you to the Add Snippet page. Here you can choose a code snippet from the pre-made library or add your custom code by selecting the blank snippet link on the top. You can even search for the code snippets here. Let's create a blank snippet for now. Now, here you can give a title to your snippet so that you can identify it later. And here you need to add your custom code. I've added a code to remove the WordPress version number. Don't forget to select the code type from here, as this is the PHP code snippet, so let's select the same. Now, on scrolling, you can see insertion options here. There are two main insert options, auto insert and shortcode. If you choose the auto insert method, the snippet will be automatically inserted and executed on your WordPress website. You can automatically run the snippet only in the WordPress admin area on the front end of your site, or everywhere. If you're unsure, then select the default Run Snippet Everywhere option. You can also assign tags to your code snippet. The priority field allows you to control the order in which the snippets are executed when you want to display multiple snippets in the same location. Once everything is in place, let's save snippet by clicking on the respective button. You can simply toggle the switch to make the code snippet active. Now, what if you end up making a mistake in a code? Just for example, you can see I'm editing this code a little here. When updated, it shows an error message that says, "We encountered an error activating your snippet. Please check syntax and try again." The WPC Code plugin automatically detects a syntax error in the code and immediately deactivates it. Now let's update the correct code. You can also use pre-made code snippets as per your need. Simply click on Add Snippets under Code Snippets in the sidebar. You can see various snippets here. You can use or edit any as per your need. Here you can make changes to your snippets and activate it by toggling the switch here. You can also import or export these code snippets by clicking on Tools under Code Snippets. Here you can simply choose a WP code exported file to import it into your WordPress website. To export the code snippets, let's move under the Export tab here. From here you can select the status, code type, and tags, and can export the snippets accordingly. So, that's how you can easily add custom code in your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.